Three things that your favorite pastor doesn't know or can't explain. Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Ruling. Want to invite you to follow me on YouTube to get valuable information on readiness for the end times. Specifically, number one, ask him what is the most important event in Revelation that initiates the end times. It's encoded four different ways, and Proverbs 25 verse 2 says it's the glory of God to conceal a matter, the honor of kings to search it out. Well, I've searched it out, and I can tell you, and it's going to be in the link when you follow this. It will be available for you to see. If you like it, I want you to follow me because Paul said, "Follow me as I follow Christ." Every Christian should be able to say that, and I think I have valuable information in readiness. To show you how valuable it is, Luke 12:36 says he will make. I'm sorry, verse 44. Luke 12:44 says he will make us ruler over all that he has, if we are so doing when he comes. Well, what is the so doing? Okay, and it includes a knock. What is the knock? Okay, we think, oh, gentle Jesus, always knocking at my heart, wanting to be part of what we do. Yes, that's true, but in this case, we have to respond immediately to open. It's not the same as just gentle Jesus always knocking. So ask your favorite pastor, what is this knock in Luke 12:36? And finally, Christ told his disciples that before he comes again, Elijah is supposed to come and restore all things. Well, ask him what are the all things that need to be restored. I will be explaining these also week after week. 1 week at a time, I'll be posting them on the YouTube. And if you like the information or have a question, you can post a question below it on YouTube, and I'll discuss it on a free conference call, okay, so that you can tune in. Thank you very much. God bless you. I think this is high value. I mean, people pay millions of dollars to get into the White House, and then it's a thankless job for 4 years maybe, or double 8 years. But this is forever, that he will make us ruler over all that he has. Better than White House, and I'm not asking for $1 million. Just follow me and learn the information. God bless you. We'll see you again at the top.